Alright, for this question, there's two parts. Let's do part A first. So part A, let's solve the simultaneous equation first. So for part A, there is two equations given. Let's work with the part 1 first. So for simultaneous equation, it's very easy. It's either you work with the x or with the y first. So this time I prefer to work with the y first. Okay. So normal solving of equation, I just bring over my this negative 6 over y to the other side, and then I change this 1 into y over y. Why? Because 1 is equal to y over y. I just want to make everything more simple. Okay. So y over y plus 6 over y equals to y plus 6 over y. So therefore I can bring over my y equal 5y equal xy plus 6x. Y, this one also bring over. So x times y and x times 6. Then after that, I bring over, as I say I want to work with the y first, so I bring over my xy to the left side. Then I bring out my y, and then I bring back the others remainings into the back to the right hand side. Okay, so I have y equals to 6x over 5 minus x. For the second one, second equation, do the same thing. Bring over to the other side, becomes 16y over y. As you see, we cancel off the y, we'll get back 16. Yes. Okay. So as you can see here, we do exactly the same as like equation 1, and then we have y equal to negative 30x over 17 minus 16x. So as we know, y equals to y, so therefore we equate these two equations. This equals to this, so bring over this to multiply, bring over this to do a cross multiplication, and then we have this, and in the end the result we have is we can bring out the x, and then we know x is equal to 0, or when we put inside this bracket we found out that x is equal to 2. So is x either equal to 0 or 2? So if x is equal to 0, 5 over 0, 0, and then negative 6 over y. So when we bring over y to the other side, we have y times 1 equal y, and then the left over here is negative 6, and then as you know there's 0 here, we have negative 6 equal to y. So if we x equal to 2, sub in the x, then we have y equals to 4. So x is equal to 0 or 2, or y is equal to 4 or negative 6. Okay, that's all for part 1, part A. Let's go to part B. Part B is slightly easier. As what I said earlier, always work with either y or x first. Okay, so this time again I want to work with y first. So I do for here, I just do cross multiplication. Okay, after cross multiplication, yeah, x plus y. After cross multiplication, 2 times 2x to 4x, 2 times positive y, positive 2y, and then we work around, and then we have y is equal to negative 3x. Okay, this first one solved. And this one easier to work with. Just need to find y. Okay, again. So and here we bring over x, and then we divide by 4. And we've got our y. So as we know, y is equal to y. Negative 3x is equal to 9 minus 3x over 4. So we just cross multiplication, and we have x is equal to negative 1. If x is equal to negative 1, sub in our x equal to negative 1 into this one, and then we have y equal to 3. So therefore y is equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 1. That's all.